I'm the lungs. I live next to your heart. I help you breathe by bringing in fresh air and sending oxygen into your blood. I also let you blow out the air your body doesn't need.
I'm the heart. I'm in your chest, and I pump blood all around your body. I make sure your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay alive and active.
I'm the liver. I'm your body's cleaning machine. I clean your blood, help you store energy from food, and even make important stuff that keeps you healthy. I'm the brain. I live in your head and help you think, learn, and remember. I also tell your body what to do, like moving your arms or blinking your eyes. Hey kids, I'm the stomach. I'm in your tummy, and I'm where your food goes after you eat. I break it down into tiny pieces so your body can use it for energy.